Hello, this is Mr. Coursey, and today we're going to be talking about GarageBand Assignment 3, the final GarageBand assignment. Before you start this one, you would have completed Assignment 1 and 2 first. But to get started, you log on to eLearn, of course, and then you click on Assignment 3, and the directions are simple. It tells you to review in Atomic Learning the GarageBand 09 tutorial section I effects. You might need to go to GarageBand assignment 1 and go through the login to go back and watch this to be able to log in and see it. But you're going to open up GarageBand and under new project choose voice. So let's get started. So I'm going to click on GarageBand. You can click on it in the dock or type GarageBand up here. So here it is. And you're going to, the assignment is you're going to pretend that you're going to record only you, but you're going to play the part of two people. And what you're going to do is record a conversation, and you're going to do voice effects to make them sound like two different people. Now, to get started, as the directions say, you got new project, choose voice, and then click choose button. And you're going to go save this in your documents folder. In the second 6 weeks, and you are going to call this, let's pretend we are in 1A underscore, type your last name, first initial, and the directions say GB vocal, GBVOCAL .BAND, and then click create. Now you may not know this, but on your Macs, the little apple at the center bottom of the face of the computer is a microphone. So let's get started. All you got to do is see you got a male and you got a female. Now that really is it doesn't matter. Like if I click on female, I can choose male basic over here and it switches. You notice if you want loops, you just click right back here and you got your loops. But we got our vocals over in here, and you can, it has like different effects like a mouse voice and pop vocals, but we'll go into that in a little bit. So if you want a male and a female or a male and a male, you change that right there. So I'm going to start with the first person and hit record. Hello, how are you today? So let's see how that sounded.
Hello, how are you today?
Now you can increase or decrease the track volume. Now I'm going to click on this one below, put the playhead here for the response. I am doing fine. I'm learning GarageBand. How about you? So let's go through. You got first track, first one.
Hello, how are you today? I am doing fine. I'm learning GarageBand. How about you?
All right. So you might move it around.
How are you today? I am doing fine. I'm learning GarageBand. How about you?
All right. Now here's the kicker. You want them to sound like two different people, so you're going to do like a change. Now I could click on, I got this one selected. I could choose a Megaphone or mouse vocals. So all I got to do is choose it, and it changes to mouse voice. So let's see how it sounds.
How are you today?
I am doing fine. I'm learning GarageBand. How about you?
I can click on this one. I could do a megaphone voice. Like, let's say you're pretending to be like at a drive-thru, ordering something.
Hello, how are you today?
I am doing fine. I'm learning GarageBand. How about you?
I could go back up here and record. What can I do for you?
What can I do for you?
All right. So to go further, you can click on this track. See, I went under Edit, and I'm going to click here to add an effect. And there is Vocal Transformer. And there's more options, like Chipmunk.
Hello, how are you today?
Now, that might be too much to have the megaphone and the vocal, so I'm going to change that back to male basic.
Hello, how are you today?
So I got that. I need to go back and click here, Vocal Transformer, Chipmunk.
Hello, how are you today? I am doing fine. I'm learning GarageBand. How about you? What can I do for you?
So it changes them all across the board. If you want a third person, you add a new track just by track, new track, and it adds a third person, and you do the same thing. Now you can add echoes. You can play with some of these settings. But here, if you choose male to female, check this out. I'm going to sound like a lady.
Hello, how are you today? I am doing fine. I'm learning GarageBand. How about you? What can I do for you?
Okay. Now, one last thing I want to show you, because you got all kinds of stuff. Like you can, if I do female to male, it's going to make my voice even more deeper. But play around and experiment with these. One last thing I want to do is, let's say you want to do something with singing. Now, I'm going to warn you, Mr. Coursey can't sing. So, this is probably something I need. I'm going to go under here at, let's see. How you insert new track, instrument setup, cancel. Master track. Here, let's see. Copy. Paste. Whoop. Well, I thought you could, duplicate track. So, you just duplicate track, and you can change that to another voice. So that's how you get the, that's how you can add a third person. Now, I'm just going to do something, let's say, cancel. Alright, so I'm going to record something. Hello, my name is Mr. Coursey. This is digital and interactive media. Alright, so let's see how out of tune I sound here.
Hello, my name is Mr. Coursey. This is digital and interactive media.
Alright, so I got this selected. I'm going to add autotune, 100%.
Hello, my name is Mr. Coursey. This is digital.
Wait. Limit to key. Let's see.
Hello, my name is Mr.
see, pitch.
Mr. Coursey, this is digital and interactive media.
Alright, so there's a little bit of change. So I'll leave the pitch alone. Choose limit to key.
Hello, my name is Mr. Coursey. This is digital and interactive media.
So that's what you call auto-tune. So I just wanted to show you how to do that. Now when you save, just like GarageBand Assignment 2, you want to save it, and then you want to export it. Export song to disk. Check compress, MP3 encoder. Export, and go to your second 6 weeks, and you got your MP3. So you're going to have gbvocal.band and this one, and you're going to turn both in. So I'm going to close this, and then you go into your Finder, second 6 weeks, and I got gbvocal, which is the GarageBand file, and then the MP3, and you're going to drag those both into the DIM Dropbox. And then that's how you turn your work in. Now, that is it for this one.